Alrighty, welcome to part 2 of the race bike build. So, while you've been gone, I put new grips come and some little grip donuts, so that's been put on there. And then a little hint of what's to come. Yes, that's all. So now we have the graphics and the plastics and the seat. So I'm gonna go and put all this on today, and then the race, oh, she's not done yet. I got some grip tape to come for here, still in the mail, and separate start stop which is this thing. So that's still to come in the mail. Should be here this week. So I probably won't add that in as the part, I'll put it on for the final photos and a few things. So skate straight into this and we'll do a little bit of a plastic unboxing. So yeah, let's go. Alrighty, here are the plastics. Let's take these out of the box here. It's got the shrouds, fork guards, that plate, front fender, rear fender, side plate, airbox cover, front fender, and the other side bit. Sick. So yeah, I'm just gonna make sure I have all these parts. I'll leave the easiest two parts out first. Chuck these over here for now. So these two are definitely the easiest parts to do, other than the swing arm and whatnot. So there's the front plate. I'm gonna chuck these here because I might use those bags. So there we go. Put these. I'm not gonna use them. Alrighty. So we'll start putting graphics on these, I guess. Might be easier if I chuck these on the bike first. I know for a fact I need to put them on first, so might chuck some plastics on the bike first, and then I'll be back. So let's go do that real quick. Alrighty, so change of plans. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do everything, put it all in a time lapse just so it's quicker and easier. So start chucking some of these graphics on this bad biatch, and we'll get it going, and it should be almost completed by the time you guys next hear me talking. So let's go. Alrighty, so I got all my graphics done on the bike. Looking schmick. Got the seat on as well. Beautiful KTM seat. So next up, got this fresh WP factory whole shot device. Ring's already on there, so just gotta slap this thing on here. So we'll put that on, put it in a time lapse, and we'll get the shit going, eh? That is the race bike, all done and dusted. Got everything on there. Nothing else left. Looking sick. So that's gonna end part 2 of the race bike build video. So I hope you enjoyed watching me build this sick as machine. If you want to see me racing it this year, go to my Instagram, Lloydie498. And you'll get to see what I can do on this thing this year. Hopefully it'll be great. So, thanks for watching. Goodbye.